Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you what to do with the broken weapons in Stalker 2. These broken weapons aren't useless, they can be repaired. Simply visit a technician at any major hub or outpost. It'll cost you materials or cash, but once fixed, these weapons can often be upgraded into something much more powerful. If the repair cost is too much, disassemble the weapon for parts. These components can be used to upgrade your existing gear or even craft new weapons if you've unlocked the right blueprints. Salvaging is especially useful for rare weapons you don't want to repair. Broken weapons can also be sold to traders or used in barter trades with NPCs. While they won't fetch a high price, the extra cash or trade value can help fund your next big upgrade. So before you throw away that busted rifle, consider repairing, salvaging, or selling it, as it might just give you the edge you need to survive in the zone. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.